Good morning everybody, welcome back. Do you know, I've just realised I've lit the gas and Myrtle's got a diesel leak. This probably isn't the best idea. Anyway, welcome back to the beautiful Myrtle, the campervan. My name's Jane Sarche. I'm a food writer and recipe creator. So we've just had a weekend away. I ate all the carbs, so I'm back on track this week. I'm back in my little low carb zone, and I'm actually going to create a keto breakfast scramble for you, and there is not an egg in sight. You're welcome. Just don't tell the chickens. So my pan is on and I'm using smoked pancetta, but you could use lardons or chopped up bacon, whatever you fancy. This is going to be the source of my fats for this meal. So I'm a little bit bleary-eyed. It's really early. Well, it's not actually. It's 8:05. That's kind of early. It's early to be showing the face with all the puffy sleepiness, etc. But Cornwall is in crazy heat wave, and like in 2 hours time I won't even want to come near the van, let alone sitting here and cook over a hot flame. So I thought I'd bring you a breakfast dish today, just so I can go and hide in the shade. Oh, that smells good. Okay, when they're starting to get crispy, not fully dried out crispy, but when they're starting to get crispy, pop your veggies in. Now I've got some tiny florets of broccoli. I've also got some cabbage. Now I grew this myself, so I picked this morning. I washed the leaves, took the centre spine out, rolled them up and then shredded them nice and finely. That's just my favourite way of prepping cabbage. And they're both going to steam, and then we're also going to pop in some mushrooms that I've just quartered. Then I'm turning the heat down, popping the lid on, and just waiting for about 3 or 4 minutes. Now if you're struggling to keep your fats up doing keto, then by all means add in a great big lump of butter to melt down. That will taste amazing. Chase the veggies, make sure they're done how you like them. My broccoli's still got a little bit of bite, but my mushrooms are fully cooked through, so I'm happy. And then you can dish up. So there we go, one very quick and tasty keto breakfast without an egg in sight. I hope you enjoy this, guys. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, because like I am half asleep. I deserve a thumbs up just for getting up early. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you next Wednesday for the next in our one pot campervan cooking series. See ya. I think I need to go back to bed now.